You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am here to show you another hair hack. You know I got you guys, so I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. But do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get it, let's go. All right, the first thing that we are going to do is outline our entire hairline all the way around the perimeter. Now here I am using an eyebrow pencil. You want to make sure that you do not touch any of your hair while you are outlining this hairline. Now guys, we do stuff like this all the time on this channel, so if you are new, hit that subscribe, share, like button, and notification bell so you will not miss an episode. Now the next thing we are going to do is put a stocking cap on. We want this to come all the way down past our hairline, front and back. That is very important. Now we are going to go over the line that we made before putting on the stocking cap. You should be able to see it clearly through the stocking cap. Now don't worry about getting it perfect or anything like that, guys. We're going to straighten up all of this later on in the video. All right, so now that we are done outlining our hairline, we are going to take some plastic wrap and we are going to wrap our whole head. Now, it's up to you how many times you go around your head with this plastic wrap, but make sure that you will be able to see the outline that you made. Me, I went around my head 1.5 times. Now, you can go around your head more. As long as you can see that outline, you will be fine. Now I am patting the plastic wrap down in place, and now I am taking some clear tape. It's important, guys, please listen up. It's important not to make this tape too tight around your head. Do not make it tight, make it comfortable, okay? So you're gonna go around all of the plastic wrap with this tape. Now, of course, I use clear tape because I'm able to see my outline, and that is very important. So we are going to continue to make sure that we cover all of this plastic wrap all the way past all of our hairline, front and back and the sides. And that is what we're going to continue to do here. Now I am going to continue to stabilize this plastic wrap with this tape as much as possible. You don't want to leave any of the plastic wrap exposed, and you want to make sure that you are making a strong foundation. So as long as you can see your outline in the front and your hairline in the back and sides, you can go over your head as much as possible, but you do not want to leave any of the plastic wrap untaped. Now I am just going to add a few more pieces of tape. It is feeling nice, it is feeling comfortable, and this last piece right here should do it because everything is covered. So now I am just going to trim off the plastic wrap and the tape, but we are just going to trim around the hairline. Now you do not have to be perfect with this, guys. You just want to be able to just trim off the excess, and then we are going to take it off and do a better trim up job. If you are enjoying this video so far, y'all, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss the next video I have coming your way. So now we are just going to slip this cap off. All right? And you should be able to see everywhere where you have drawn. Now you can do a better job with trimming off the excess plastic wrap and tape. And it'll look like this. Now guys, we are almost to the end of this video. Let me show you all what we have just created. Once you see what I am about to show you all, you are going to love it. Now we have a stocking cap on our head. We have our little mold piece that we have made. We are nowhere near our hairlines because we have shaped it up to fit perfect. Do you see that? Do you see the fit on that cap? You're going to take an eyebrow pencil and you're going to outline your hair. Now I am in the mood for a bang today. So we're going to put another stocking cap on top of that. We're going to grab whatever hair we want to use. And guys, we are just going to take that tracked hair and we're going to stay within the lines of our bang. When you finish tracking up that hair, you're going to take it off and it will be on any stocking cap that you may have. Now, if we want to do another style, we just wipe that off. And let's say we want to do a weave with a part. We draw on that cap, guys. We put on another stocking cap and we will get to tracking. We're going to take our hair and we are going to track it and track it and track it. And we know where our hairline is. We know where the part is. And we will be able to create any hairpiece that we want on our own, and it will be a custom fit. A lot of my subscribers are saying that they would love to be able to do their own hair. If you go make you a custom fitted head mold, I will be showing you in future videos how to use this mold. All right, y'all, we have done it again. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comments section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know. Y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. You all are the reason why my channel is growing. You all are my babies. I read you all's comments. I'm telling you, yes, I do. So y'all, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do home hacks, home decor, sales I find, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So show your girl some love. Go over there as well and comment, like, subscribe, and share.